Hey ARK fans, this is ARK Daily in 5 minutes or less. Today is March 2nd. Let's see how the day went for ARK. Well, no spoilers first, but it didn't go so well, but not so bad either. So let's take a look at highlights first, and then we'll go into the details. Today, they added a big position in Zoom and also in AONE, which is a SPAC merging with Markforged, which is a 3D printer company. They have a lot of offerings, as in a lot of 3D printers. They have a lot of clients, including US military, US defense. Their products are cheap and have much more strength than anything out there. Carbon fiber products. In the negative today is FLIR. A big position was reduced in FLIR. I don't know whether I'm saying it right, but FLIR is a company that designs and manufactures thermal imaging cameras. So see you on the other side, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please show your support to this new channel. Thank you.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show.
Welcome back, guys. So this is ARK Summary. We always take a look at high-level numbers. Market value of 52.8 billion, going down a little bit, 1.6% compared to yesterday. So not so bad, but still bad. The market was not that good today. In terms of number of companies they are invested in, it has been going up. Here they reduced Honeywell. Here they added one and reduced one. You can check out the old video to find out which one. Yesterday they removed one company completely called Splunk. And today they are maintaining the same number of companies, no new addition, no new removals. By ETF, ARK Innovation Fund continues to lead the way, followed by Genomics, followed by Next Generation Web, FinTech, Robotics, Print, and Israel. In terms of ranking, we have Tesla at number 1, Teladoc, Square, Roku. That ranking hasn't changed much, but market has gone down in general. DocuSign 21 rank there, and then we always look at Grayscale Bitcoin, which is sitting at 40, same as yesterday. And then we also look at our favorite, which is Nano Dimensions. So going even further down to 87. So that's because the stock price went down even more, looks like today. So that's the high level. Now let's go quickly over to biggest moves. Yeah, let's go over the biggest moves now, guys. So people who are new to this channel, we take a look at biggest moves by percentage of shares. We have a threshold of 5% today. We can change it as the days, depending on the day, how the market was, to make this more consumable by everybody. So we try to keep it limited. One Class A, which is the company which is a SPAC merging with Markforged, as we discussed, almost double in position there, increased to 0.9 million from 0.5 million. Stock price is $12.60, went down a little bit. Zoom Video Communication bought a big position there, looks like 300,000 shares almost, rounded up value. And then in the negatives, you have FLIR System. So let me scroll up a little bit. FLIR Systems, where they sold almost half of their stake in it, and Facebook as well, almost 9% sold there. So that's biggest moves by shares. There are others you can go over. Atlas Crest is also another one, which is the air taxi company, Archer. So that they keep on adding there as well, looks like. JD Berkeley Lights was something that they added recently, a lot more to it. Again, today added more. So a lot of companies there in positive. In biggest moves by dollars or market value, I have a threshold of 30 million today. So let's take a look at it. Square, because the stock price went up, that's why this is highest here. Baidu, again, stock price climbing back up. They bought a little bit, also looks like a little bit there, a little bit here. Zoom Video, as it popped up in the above chart as well, they bought a lot, so it's in positive. Lots of negatives also today. So if you look at Tesla, they still bought some more, but the stock price is down $686.40. Roku, again, they bought a little bit. They sold also in past quite a bit, looks like, but they again bought somewhat. And then the stock price climbing down to $389. Teladoc Health, they bought some more. Pure Storage, they keep selling, looks like. Twilio, Invite, so all these companies are in negative today. So that's a high-level overview of biggest moves by market value and shares. Now let's go over to, are there any new companies? No new companies added today. Let's go over to our regular checking the trends for 3 companies quickly, starting with Tesla. Let's take a look. So Tesla, yeah, a little bit of position added there, 0.5% compared to yesterday, price going down, market value going down. So people who are new to this channel, we always take a look at Tesla, Grayscale, Bitcoin, and Nano Dimension for these 3 trends, shares count. stock price and market value trend, which is a function of these two. Obviously, we also try to break it by ETF, even though there is very little movement. So yeah, a little bit added here, a little bit here, and hardly anything. So overall, a positive message that shares are being added, even though the stock price is going down. They have high confidence in it. So let's take a look at their position in Grayscale Bitcoin, which is a company that just follows Bitcoin price. They ARK is legally not allowed to buy or invest in Bitcoin, so they just invest in this company. This fund, it just follows Bitcoin um, price. So today down, and they have bought a little bit. Looks like increased position. I should not say buy or sell, but increased position. So that's Grayscale Bitcoin. Let's go over to Nano Dimensions quickly and see how that is doing. Nano Dimensions, and yeah, looks like they bought a little bit or increased their position a little bit, um, and price has gone down, so market value has gone down. So let's see, by break it by ETF. It's present in ARK Q, Robotics Autonomous, ARK W, maybe because of their services, and it's an Israel company. So maintaining their position, increasing it a little bit, showing high confidence in this as well. So that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Shout out to my favorite YouTubers and Kathy Wood, obviously. Thanks.